Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, it's cool mix right here, and basically what this is a metal 2-in-1 lemon and lime squeezer. So you can basically put like your lemon or you can put your lime inside right here and squeeze the juice out of it. If you didn't see it on the slide right here, they tell you guys how to use the product if you guys want to get the best result. And then here's more specs that's on the product in terms of how to use it and etc. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. They have the little logo right here. This is what it looks like on top. Here's what it looks like on the bottom. And when we open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So there's one section right here and there's another section right there. And the way how they designed the product, it fits for both lemon and lime. You can see they have a section right here and a section inside right here. And we see the holes right here and also the bottom part as well. They designed it in the way how it actually filter out the seed, so the seed won't go into your product when you guys are using it, which is pretty nice. And also the way how they designed the product actually help you guys extract more juice as well, which is pretty cool. But when you guys feel the overall product, it definitely feels like a high quality material. They definitely use like a high quality metal on here that is also rust proof as well. And for this product, if you guys want to roll it into your dishwasher, you can definitely do that as well. But I think for me, I'm just going to use my hand to wash it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just go test this out and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's test it out. So I just want to squeeze it like this. Try to get as much of the juice out as possible. Alright, so let me do it one more time. Alright, so we got a second one right here. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So next up, we test our product and definitely see it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you need to do is just cut up like a lime or lemon. You can use this product to squeeze out all the juice from the product. But now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys plan on using this a lot for like cooking stuff. If you guys need some like lemon juice or lime juice and you need to squeeze out from your lime or lemon, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.